welcome back to my channel. To those of you who are new here, my name is Naufan Noori and today's video is a get ready with me video. So I've created this look. Now this look is quite different from what I usually go for. I've used like different colors and like a different style altogether. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it's turned out. So if you would like to know more about this look and listen to me chattering while I do this makeup, then please keep on watching. With the concealer, I have the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium. Now I always like to apply concealer before I go ahead with my foundation, so I'm just gonna put in like about 4 small drops. I'm not in the best skin situation right now, though we're at home and the pollution's less, so ideally the skin should be feeling good, but yeah, it's not feeling the best. I'm gonna use a beauty blender today. So I have a big wisdom tooth problem. So my wisdom tooth on both sides actually has been coming from the past, I think more than 2 years. Like it comes in like installments. So I was like, I really want to talk to you guys about a lot of things and I really want to get ready. Like it's been so long. So yeah, I thought I'll make this video. So about the wisdom tooth thing, like I don't know. Many people tell me that I should go to the doctor and get it removed. But yeah, now we're in a lockdown. So probably after the lockdown is over. The concealer looks fine. Let's move on to the foundation. Yeah, probably after the lockdown is over, but I'm really scared. Like I don't want my tooths to be pulled out. Like that'd be so painful. So I try to tell myself that no, just give it a few more months and it's coming out slowly and it should be okay. But yeah, so today I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. Now this is it's matte like the name suggests, and I'm just going to take a teeny bit, like not much, just about that much. Now I'm like so thankful for our YouTube channel growth. Like you guys, I am so grateful. We've been increasing so fast. Not just that, like I've had a few people to actually come to me and be like, they have been thinking of starting a YouTube channel for a really long time, and they feel that now they can do it, and it's just such a happy thing. Like I just started like a month ago and the response from you guys has been so great. You all have been so supportive and I'm so thankful. And I just want to say that whatever it may be, YouTube or whatever it is for you that you have been putting off for a really long time, I think you should just go for it. Like whether it's in quarantine or once the quarantine is over, depending on what you really want to do, I think this is the time for all of us to realize like whatever we've been putting off for so long, we should just really go for it. I wanted to start a YouTube channel about 3 years ago, around the same time that I started my Instagram page, but I didn't do it. I didn't do it up till 1 month ago. I postponed it for a really long time. Not the most proud of that, and I don't think that people, when they really want to do something, they should put it off for anything. You should just make the time, make the commitment and work towards it. So I'm really so happy that I've finally started it and you guys are there for me, so really thank you. That's it. Moving on to the eyebrows. Now for the longest time I used to not do my eyebrows because my eyebrows are like so thin and I was so not bothered. I'd be like yeah, whatever, I don't get it, I don't get it shaped. I never used an eyebrow pencil, but once I started using it, which was actually quite recently, like about 1.5 years ago, I started using it and I was like, wow, that makes a lot of difference. How come I didn't use it before? So yeah, this one's my favorite. Sorry, this is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. This is the one that I use every day because I really like this one. So I'm getting done with this really amazing book that I'm reading currently. I think I should be done with it today. So I'm really excited to start my next book, which I ordered like a month ago. And I've been very excited for that book as well because it was recommended to me by like 4 people. So yeah, I'm really excited to read that. Hey, if you guys would like for me to do a video on my favorite books or something like that, do let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to make that for you. I always end up doing this. Like this side always comes out much thicker than this side. Like I think this side, that's not the side with the brush. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know how come. I also think like my eyebrows are uneven. Like this one, though both are thin, this one is better than that one. This one is absolutely shapeless. Maybe that's why. It's very difficult for me to like draw it properly. So I absolutely forgot to put the setting powder and I moved directly to the eyebrows. So I'm just going to take a little bit and put it. So I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just going to take a really less amount and just put it, spread it across my face with the brush. I really like using powder brushes. I mean, I think it's because of this image that I have in my mind since I was young, like people using it like that, and I think it looked really cool. So whenever I'm using powder brushes, I really like it. It also feels really good on the face, like a mini facial massage. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm done with this one. It's time we move to our eyeshadow. Now for my eyes, I'm doing a very different look, something that I don't usually do. So usually what I do is I use the same color of eyeshadow on my eyelids and my lower lids, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to use two different shades, which is very different for me. So yeah, let's get into that. So I'm going to use the Kiko Milano Green Me palette. This is in the number 102. I'll also link it down below in the description box. Okay, so I'm going to use this really nice brown shade here. It's like a little glittery golden brown. I think it's a beautiful shade. Look how beautiful this color is, guys. It's like a very sunset-like color, which is so beautiful. I really like it. So I was not at all into eyeshadows earlier. Like my makeup used to be like a BB cream. I used to put on some eyeliner probably, mascara, lipstick, and that's it. And blush. I do like blush. But recently I've started applying tons of eyeshadow products and I purchased so many different eyeshadows of different brands and I'm really liking it. It's so much fun to apply and it just gives such a different look. So yeah, I'm really enjoying using my eyeshadow palettes lately. And I've been doing way more makeup at home during quarantine than I ever did before the quarantine. I think so. We're done with the eyes. I'm going to keep it simple, just like that. Yeah, and I'm just going to add in a little bit of the dark brown shade, this one right here, just to the corners a little to make it a little more defined. Okay, so now for my lower eyelids, I'm going to use the Kiko Milano pencil, number 15. So yeah, it's like a gray color pencil. So I really wanted to do like these golden bronze eyes on the upper lids and then like gray down. So that's what we're gonna do. So this is like a silver gray. It's a little light and a little bright. So that's it for our eyeshadows. Now we're gonna add in our mascara. For the mascara, I'm gonna be using the Scandalize by Maybelline. I really like this mascara. I think it's my best go-to mascara when it comes to drugstore products. It's really great. I've been having so much chai, guys, lately. Like every morning that after I wake up, I'm like, I'm craving for some chai. And I used to not drink so much tea before, but now it's just like ever since the quarantine, I just keep wanting to have more and more chai. So yesterday, I got this Taj Mahal chai. Before that, I was using Brook Bond, which was also fine. But I think I like the Taj Mahal chai a little more. So yeah, I didn't even know how to make chai prior to the whole quarantine situation. And now I could say that I'm kind of a pro. Then just a little bit on the lower lashes. Guys, I really like how this whole eye look has turned out because it's so different from my style and I'm just so happy. It's the first time that I'm doing it and it looks pretty good. So those of you following me on Instagram would be knowing that I'm rewatching Friends for like the 20th time and it's getting over again. Like I'm on season 9, I think the 14th or the 15th episode, and soon it's gonna be over. And every time I watch it and every time it gets over, I am so heartbroken and so sad. I mean, how many times can I watch it more? But It's just one of those shows. I mean, it's my favorite TV show ever. I don't watch a lot of TV shows, but yeah, I don't even think I need to because I got my friends. As you all know, I'm a big movie person. I'm not such a TV show person, but if there are some really good TV shows which you think I should watch, then please let me know in the comments down below. So I will surely check them out because I'm almost done with my friends. So I will just have 2 more products that we need to use. The blush, of course. I'm gonna go ahead with my MAC Cosmetics Gingerly blush. This is, to be honest, my absolute favorite blush. I have tried many blushes. I really like the one from Chanel also, but that's like a cream blush. It comes in a stick, which is also really nice, but I didn't repurchase that one. And yeah, so I've just been using mainly the MAC Gingerly blush, which I really like. So let's go ahead and just use some. Again, I don't like to apply too much. I like for it to look more natural. So now for the lipstick, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty in the shade Third Day. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. Like, you know, if you apply like one light coat, it looks like a really nice pink. I'll show you. And if you apply like multiple coats, it turns out to be like a really dark, beautiful shade on the side of maroon mainly. So for this look, I just want it really light. That's it. So this is the final look, guys. I think it turned out pretty well and I kind of like it. I think it looks nice. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this look, and if you'd like to see more get ready with me videos, because I have never made one of these and I don't know how this has turned out, but if you guys like it, I will be more than happy to make more of such videos for y'all. So yeah, if you've liked this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to share it and do subscribe to my channel, and when you do click the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get a notification and you don't miss any of it. I'll see you super soon in my next video. Till then, you take care.